Hello everyone, good morning and good evening. This is Kiran from Retriever by Automation channel. I think in the previous sessions we have come across Android selector strategies, and we have learned about the standard, manage, and Android native strategies. And since as we are talking about the strategies, so I thought of presenting iOS strategies as well. Though I'm not covering any kind of Mac demo over here, but for your knowledge purpose, I have gathered the iOS strategies so that whenever you need it, you may use it. There is a slight difference between Android strategies and iOS strategies, which I'm going to pinpoint over here, and you may take it forward. Okay, let's begin with. So in the Android also we have seen about ID, name, and class name, and accessibility also we have seen similar strategies, but ID will have name value, okay, and class name will have class name value, whereas accessibility ID will have the name value. Okay, there in Android, content-DAC is there, but in iOS, slight difference, that is name is there. Okay, so the default accessibility is set to the name of the UI element. So by default, it will set to the name of the element. So I have given, and as usual, export, that is the same. Okay, but the class name will start with XUI element type, XUI element checkbox, or XUI element radio button, or XUI element tree, like that. XUI test, iOS totally entirely based on the XUI test. Okay, so there will not be any iOS driver or any other matter like that. Only XUI test. Okay, in the script also we write XUI test driver. Okay, so we have the element start with XUI. Okay, and similarly in the iOS side also there are native methods are there. Like in Android we have seen the UI automator. Here also we have seen we have iOS strategies are there, which starts with the by iOS class chain and by iOS NS predicate. These two are the strategies which is advanced than the standard and managed strategies. Okay, so you may use it whenever you are working on the iOS app automation side, and way of implementation and way of taking the group of elements or simulating the actions, getting the text or entering the values, everything, the methods are same. The difference is strategies and XUI, the element type. Since it is iOS based architecture, so they are following the different naming convention. Okay, and the only difference, another difference is accessibility ID. So accessibility ID, you need to use the value of the name attribute. Okay, you won't find the content-DAC like in Android. Okay, so these are the selector strategies for the iOS, starting from the standard, manage, and then advanced. Okay, so if you are once you learned about the Android and in your corporate environment, in case if it is available iOS device, and you can play using these strategies for the iOS app. Okay, so this is, I just wanted to cover you as we are coming across strategies. That's why I put this slide. There is no much difference, but only slight difference, because iOS architecture is entirely different, and it follows the naming convention as XUI element. So that you need to understand, and you need to be aware about the accessibility ID, which value it takes the value of the name. And there are two advanced strategies are there that you can use it whenever you need it. Okay. So with this one, we have completed the chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 as per the plan. And now we are entering into the implementation where we are talking about the methods which changed in the previous client versions, okay, and which are currently active and most usable that I'm going to cover are key operations. Okay, I'll start with the very the beginning operations and then ends with the uh, complex the methods so that you will have an idea and what advanced the what are the regular methods that we use part of the day-to-day app automation. Okay, thanks team, thanks for watching this session, and I'll catch you in the next session. Bye.